the district that did that.
Abakwatsirwe barumura hero ko muhendo or tauni kiraaka wa Mpara Town Council, James Kamara or Principal Commercial Officer, Monica Kabasinguzi or Town Agent wa Bugindo Ward, Fred Begumya or Councillor wa Bugindo Ward, hamwe na Evans Nimusingiza or Chairman wa Bugindo PDM Sako mu Town Council ya Mpara.
Kiena ekikorwa ekyo mu district munu kandi ni nyongera kugamba omuntu wena atongera kuzanira hamuntu wa buli kiro mu Kyegegwa district kumuyihaho sente ezitali mu biragiro.
Parish Chief wale
Okwatwa kw'abantu abakwizireho bwa nyuma ya State House okutunga amakuru ngo hariho abantu mu district ya Kyegegwa batandikire ku rugo mu group za Parish Development Model ahabo kubashaba sente ziri hagati y'emitwaro 7 hamwe n'emitwaro 15.
They were advised to start saving from their small collections.
who advised them? You.
That's what the guidelines say.
Did the government recruit you to finish its people? No.
Enyuma ho tauni kiraaka wa Mpara Town Council hero ko muhendo bakaba bamutanakizeho sente ziyabira hira abantu aho buri group babire nibagiye emitwaro 8 okugira ngo etungo mugisha go kutunga sente za Parish Development Model.
We thought the basis of registration starts from the sub-county or town council, where we had to issue certificates to show that they have registered. Afterwards, we got the guidelines. We were tasked to refund those people's money and they received it.
Maybe you are the only one.
Evans Nimusingiza or Chairman wa PDM Sako y'umuraka gwa Bugindo kandi wasayiningira ha receipt y'ekishobobo kwiha abantu sente nagira ngo Commercial Officer nuwe yabaragire.
Akanyunsya gati y'abantu yambuza umusako yanyu numusevinga zingahi kandi numukora muta.
Jovrin Kariso y'umuhezi wa coordinator wa Parish Development Model habwihangari yona eshongeze n'uwazitahiremu.
You playing on the heads of innocent people because they are vulnerable. We are the ones who should be standing in their gap, giving advising them, guiding them on how to get into this program to benefit. But at the end of the day, you are the ones mistreating them.
Abakwatsirwe batwirwa ha police enkore ya Kyegegwa obo kuchondoza kurukugumizamu. Gasha kwa Philip Marangera.